Hey friends, it's Tracy. Today I'm sharing how I painted up this cute little DIY summertime kit from the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. I am one of her affiliates, and so I snagged this DIY summertime kit, and I'm going to show you how I painted it up in my whimsical touches, and also how you can get this kit. You can order it straight there from the website. She has free shipping, and so that is a great deal. Look in the description box for more information. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Now this wood is 1/4 inch birch wood, and it has individual little pieces like that. It has this banner. It also has the welcome word. It comes with a little bee and her wings and a little heart, and then the center for the little sunflower. Now the crow and the bee with the watermelon and the sunflower are all attached together, and you can see it's a 1/4 inch thick, and it has 2 holes at the top that you can create a door hanger. And it also has little etched lines on it so that it's very easy to follow, kind of like a paint by number kind of thing. And so these DIY wood kits are very easy to follow along, and there's tons of inspiration to do your own and make it personalize it for your colors and for yourself. Now you can use any of the coordinating colors that you would like, but I'll just share the brand names and the colors with you for reference of what I used. All right, so for the sunflower and the beehive, I use Colonial Mustard, and that is by Dixie Belle. So I just gave it a coat of that, and it covers very well. I only needed 1 coat, but depending on the brand of paint that you use, you can use acrylic or chalk paint. Will depend on if you need 1 or 2 coats. If it is kind of see-through and transparent, then I would give it another coat. I'd also keep in mind those laser etched areas of like the hole for the beehive. I kind of know where my hole would be, so I don't need that line per se. But if this is something that you wanted to do, maybe I would suggest painting that hole first, and then just painting around the hole so that you don't run into the risk of painting the hole and not having the etched lines show through. So then I'll just paint up my crow in black, and then I switched to the legs, and I used Delta Ceramcoat Dolphin Gray for the little crow legs. Then for the green of the stem of the flower, I'm using holly green, and that is Americana color. And then I'll use Honky Tonk red for the middle part or the red part of the watermelon. I'll use the holly green for the rind of the watermelon, and just paint it up with all of my cute little whimsical features that I love to do for my whimsical country projects here. Now, most of these wood kits come with additional little extra pieces, and that's what makes your wood kit so unique and special because of the different dimensions of the extra wood pieces. So mine has a banner and it has a welcome, a heart, a star, the bee body, and the bee wings. And so I'm just going to be painting those up, and I will put the name of all of the paints that I'm using and the colors in the description box, so that I won't have to keep repeating myself, and so that you can get exactly what those paint colors are called if you're interested. Again, these are just for reference, but sometimes I have messages and I have people ask, what exact colors am I using? So for the center of the sunflower, I'm using Hazelnut brown. Now that is a chalk paint by Waverly. The star, I'm using that colonial mustard. The red heart, I use the Honky Tonk red. And for the welcome, I'm just using black. And I'll be using the end of a paintbrush just to put my polka dots on.